Hello there, I'm Paul Boswell from Steinel UK. Welcome to Dialogue Days 2020. I'm here to discuss the perfect solution for the climate neutral parking garage. As planners, installers, owners, designers, occupants within cities on a daily basis, we see, as we drive past multi-storey car parks, level upon level upon level of car park lights lit. Whether there are people there, whether there are vehicles there, this is a very inefficient and old-fashioned way of managing lighting within a multi-storey car park. So what's the answer? What's the solution that can provide a safe, secure, environmentally friendly solution that guarantees satisfaction for everyone? Welcome to the Steinel application parking that in some real life cases has offered up to a 92% energy saving. Steinel has been an innovative manufacturer in sensor technologies for over 30 years. It all started in 1987 with the passive infrared sensor, which you may know as a PIR. This led to the invention of the microwave sensor, which was first installed inside a luminaire in 1999. Ultrasonic detection came forward in 2014, a product so clever it can even detect around corners. The optical sensor arrived in 2016, a sensor which can actually physically count the number of people within an environment. And finally, our groundbreaking true presence detection in 2018, a detection which can literally detect anyone in a room, whether they are moving or not. So looking at how some of that technology would apply in a current parking lot or multi-storey car park, as you may know them, often in current examples, there's a bad atmosphere because every level is lit, whether there are people there or vehicles there or not. They're very high users of energy because the lights are lit permanently 24/7. And it's not a pleasant environment. Even when you drive by them in an evening, it's a complete waste of energy having all these levels lit and there being no people there. Welcome to the solution. This is the RS Pro Connect 5100 LED from Steinel Professional line. This is an LED moisture-proof linear luminaire incorporating a 360-degree high-frequency sensor, giving a 10-meter maximum reach and an impressive 4,200 lumens. Some very clever features about this product. First of all, they can be connected wirelessly. So it doesn't matter whatever configuration you currently have within an environment, this product can be installed and connected wirelessly to other versions, making it very simple for the installer. When we talk about the installer, with them in mind, we also have adjustable mounts on the back of this fitting so that they can use the existing fixings on a ceiling or on a wall to mount this RS Pro Connect 5100. The user also gets the option of a 50% to 100% main light level. And recently introduced is the emergency light version with a full 3-hour battery backup. You've probably seen the little blue sign on the left-hand side of the slide there. Incorporated into this fitting is also Bluetooth technology. This makes it very simple to configure, very simple to create your own pattern, very simple to create a comfortable environment. And this is all done with the Bluetooth connectivity with the new Style app. Within this version, we have a sensor version, as we just discussed, incorporating the Style high frequency sensor. We have a slave version with no sensor. We have the emergency light with the 3-hour battery backup, and we have the 5-core version to complete the range. Often in areas like this, you have to install products that are very simple for retrofitting. With the adjustable mounts on the back of this fitting, we have the installer in mind, and it's very, very simple because there's no need to pre-drill new holes. This fitting can be used on the existing holes. The setup, as described, can be used by the new Style app. It's very clear, very simple, very precise, and it gives you total control over exactly what settings you want in situ. And also, the networking with the Bluetooth is very, very simple for an installer, meaning commissioning, even over 3 or 4 levels, can be done very, very quickly indeed. All very useful features for the installer. So here we see an image of the new Style app. We see the image of the Bluetooth symbol, the connectability, and the fact that you can network these fittings together. And as we discussed, the app is very simple and very easy to use. And we have a small example here. So the user can quite simply click on the app, find the luminaires, and configure them in whatever pattern he desires. The most efficient, very simple, and makes a building very smart indeed. So using the RS Pro 5100 gives you basic light at dusk, which is adjustable. So you get to set a very low light level, meaning it's a comfort light, but it's also a security feature. And then the main light on automatically once there's movement, triggered by the microwave sensor, the high frequency microwave sensor, and staying on for the time level that you've actually set up in the app. Very smart solution to the modern issue of multi-story car parks. Historically, people may have used LED fittings in multi-story car parks with a PIR fitting. Often this PIR fitting is turned up to full timer, often 20 minutes or 30 minutes, so it only starts timing down once it senses the last detection. So the fittings can be on 20 or 30 minutes longer than they physically need to be, which is why the 5100 LED makes the building a well thought out building, managed in an efficient way, allowing the grouping together of products, leading to a further potential saving of some 81% in situ. So here we see a slide with the benefits of the Bluetooth technology, allowing products to be linked, networked, combined in whatever configuration the user sees fit. So you don't need to illuminate the whole floor. It might be that you just want to illuminate the first half if people are parking there, thus saving further resources. This is another product called the RS Pro Connect R series, which interestingly also has the Bluetooth connectivity. It also incorporates the 360-degree high-frequency sensor with the 10-meter reach, and this range offers an impressive 1,100 lux up to 3,000 lux. You have the wireless connect option with Bluetooth and smart setup via app, impact resistance, and a very nice backlit function which provides a very low level of comfort light should the user desire. So this connected with the Bluetooth RS Pro 5100, you could illuminate some fittings near an exit door, and link them via Bluetooth to some of these RS Pro Connect on the stairs, and they actually talk to each other. A very smart environment, a very comforting environment, a very secure environment for the consumer. Within the RS Pro Connect, we offer two enclosure designs. We offer a circular one and a square option, each in three different sizes, from 1130 lumens up to 3200 lumens, with or without sensor, and the emergency plug-in lighting module with a 3-hour battery backup. So we offer a very comprehensive range to suit every car park application, and it will make it into a smart building. It will make it very economic, and from an install point of view, make it very, very simple to both install and commission. We have a reference here from the Managing Director of an energy advisor to the city of Zurich, who openly admitted that they'd installed a lot of the latest generation luminaires and saved significant amount of money. However, what they were very impressed with was the fact that you could interconnect and intelligently control the luminaires in both the RS Pro 5100 and the R series fitting, so that those savings were actually increased, achieving a 90% saving on their existing costs. Looking at how those savings stack up, we see here two charts, pre-modernisation and post-modernisation. If you see the grey charts on the left-hand side showing the power consumption, look at the drop from 13.2 kilowatt hours to 1.1 kilowatt hours after the install of the new fittings. And on the right-hand side, look at the hours of operation per day of the old system with sensors, but the new smart option with the Bluetooth connectivity and networking via the app. Significant savings in energy and costs. So here we have a small video to demonstrate how this would work. So we see a car approaching into the multi-storey car park. The luminaires on a basic level until they detect movement and up to full brightness. And once again, all this is set up by the smart Style app, making it very quick, very simple, very low cost method of commissioning. So those are the details on the RS Pro 5100 and the R series. As you will notice on this page here, there are several other web seminars that have been delivered over these Dialogue Days 2020 that cover many applications where we have a smart solution to the current problems. I would encourage you to join these webinars and take part and get involved. If we have any questions on the 5100 LED Pro or the R series, please feel free to submit them. With Style UK, as well as selling the products, we can offer full lighting design. We can calculate lighting savings with the use of our ProLog device. So we can monitor real time what actually happens within an environment and show true savings, what can be anticipated by going from a pre to a post modernisation building. If we can be of any service, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us, and thank you very much.